So Elon Musk just held the Tesla We Robot event, and it was filled with futuristic tech that could change the way we think about transportation and robotics. If you thought Tesla was only about electric cars, think again. This event showcased some pretty wild advancements, including the Cybercab, Robovan, and major updates to the Optimus robot. Let's dive into what went down and how it could potentially shape our future. To kick things off, let's talk about the Cybercab. Imagine a sleek two-door robotaxi with butterfly doors, no steering wheel, and no pedals. Yep, it's fully autonomous, and Musk aims to price it below $30,000. This thing isn't just a car. It's Tesla's vision of what public transportation could look like in the future. Now, here's what's crazy about the Cybercab. It doesn't rely on LiDAR like other autonomous vehicles. Instead, it's powered by Tesla's new Hardware 5 AI5 system, with multiple cameras for navigation. It's also going to come with inductive charging, meaning wireless charging at dedicated hubs, so you can just park and let it juice up without any cables. Production is set for 2026, with full deployment targeted by 2027. That might sound far away, but in the world of autonomous vehicles, it's basically right around the corner. Musk believes this thing will completely change the game. And get this, Tesla's plan is to create a ride-hailing network where you can rent out your Cybercab when you're not using it, similar to how Airbnb works, but for cars. So instead of your car sitting idle 90% of the time, you could make some extra cash by letting others use it. Musk envisions fleets of these Cybercabs swarming cities, offering a cheap and efficient alternative to traditional transport. The operational cost? Tesla estimates about 20 cents per mile, which is a fraction of what city buses cost to run. Basically, you'll be riding in your own little autonomous lounge. Next up, the Robovan. This beast can hold up to 20 passengers and, like the Cybercab, it's fully autonomous. It's designed for both group transport and delivery services. Think about it. An autonomous van that could be used for everything from public transit to logistics. It's another piece of Tesla's grand plan to overhaul urban mobility and get more people off the road in traditional cars. Musk sees the Robovan as part of a broader vision to make cities more efficient and less congested. And yes, it's another vehicle Tesla plans to integrate into that futuristic ride-hailing network, where everything is autonomous and everything generates income when it's not in use. Now let's talk robots, specifically Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot. The demo at the event was kind of wild. The Optimus robot was shown off doing everything from serving drinks to dancing. Musk didn't shy away from big statements either, calling Optimus potentially the biggest product ever. With a projected price between $20,000 and $30,000, it's not hard to see why he thinks this could be revolutionary. But here's where things get interesting. Optimus isn't just a robot for simple tasks. Tesla is developing this thing to handle a wide range of jobs, and Musk believes it'll eventually surpass human labor in some areas. The robot's design is aimed at reducing repetitive tasks in industries like manufacturing and logistics. While the Optimus prototype is still in development, Musk hinted that the robot could hit the market by 2025. The implications are pretty huge. Imagine factories full of Optimus robots working around the clock, or even personal assistants that can help you around the house. While the timeline is ambitious, the potential impact of Optimus is undeniable. Of course, all of these announcements are bold, and there's always skepticism around whether Tesla can deliver on such grand promises. Critics point out that Tesla has a history of delayed timelines and ambitious targets that don't always hit the mark. But there's no denying that if even half of this stuff becomes a reality, it could reshape how we live, work, and travel. Now let's not forget the bigger picture here. Musk's vision isn't just about building cool gadgets, it's about creating an entire ecosystem of autonomous tech that integrates seamlessly into daily life. The Cybercab, Robovan, and Optimus robot are all part of a future where autonomous systems do most of the heavy lifting. Whether it's shuttling people around in robotaxis, delivering goods in autonomous vans, or having robots handle menial tasks, Tesla's betting big on AI-driven automation. And while the Cybercab and Robovan are designed to change urban transport, Optimus could be the game changer in the world of robotics. If Tesla can pull it off, it's possible that humanoid robots could become as common as smartphones, performing tasks we don't want to do, freeing up time for more creative or meaningful work. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, the We Robot event shows that Tesla is serious about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and autonomous technology. They're not just looking to build cars or robots, they're looking to build an entirely new way of interacting with the world. Whether it's transportation or labor, the end goal is clear: efficiency, sustainability, and profitability. The future Tesla envisions is one where you won't need to own a car, you won't need to drive, and you'll have AI-driven robots handling your tasks. It's a bold vision, but if there's one thing we've learned from Elon Musk, it's that bold visions often turn into bold realities.